Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to deal with responses and data in Google Forms. Here is an example of a quiz that I often share in my training, and as you can see at the top here it has 213 responses. So if I click on the responses tab, it will then give me a breakdown of these responses. So on the very first page we have our summary, and this gives us some insights. I can see my average score is just about 6 out of 10. And then if I begin to scroll down, I get some more information. I can see the frequently missed questions. So if I was doing this in a teaching environment, I could see which areas my students are struggling with and I need to revisit. If I scroll down further, I can then see question by question a summary and seeing again which questions people are struggling and also which are the wrong answers that people are commonly giving. Back on the top I can go on to questions, and I can actually break it here again down by question type, so I could click on a question and it shows me all the different answers. If I did want to remark any answers, I can do so here, and say for example if I believe that this person had got the question right even though I'd marked it as wrong, I can correct that and give them a tick, and that will then make that a correct answer for them. And the last thing here is individual. So I can click on my responses here and I'll get a list of all the responses, and I can click on the person I want and then see their responses here. All the data here allows you to drill down into some more useful information. On the summary charts as well, if I do go onto the charts, I can click into the top right hand corner and copy the chart, and then I can paste that into another document. An important aspect of Google Forms though is how you then extract this data and use it in Google Sheets. As you can see at the top here, I've got the option to create a spreadsheet. If I click on here, it's going to ask me to either create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. So I'm just going to create a new one, click create, and then it's going to open up a spreadsheet that has all my answers in. So this is a great opportunity then to use the responses for a different purpose, to create other charts or to share this data in a different way with other people. Back in my form, if I click on more options, I can unlink that form, I can download my responses into a CSV, or I can print them as well. So I hope this gives you some guidance in how to deal with responses and use the data given to you through Google Forms.